Okay, there are times when you need something and there is nothing else that will do. And of course, I am talking about pizza. So what we have here is your basic DiGiorno stuffed pizza, but I like to doctor these up a little bit. So what we are going to do is take some tomato paste, and we're just going to kind of spread it on over the pizza that we have. Our basic DiGiorno cheese crust supreme pizza. So we're just going to kind of spread extra tomato paste over everything here. Okay, then put this over here. I don't need that anymore. Let's grab some mushrooms and just kind of distribute these over the pizza. Mushrooms and pizza just go together beautifully. Got a few more here. And the mushrooms, they're going to like shrink down to nothing. Oops. Clean up on aisle 3. Archie doesn't do floors. We need a dog for that. Okay, then we have hamburger. And this is hamburger that I purposely didn't chop up too much because I wanted it to be kind of like meatball-ish. And so we're just going to put hamburger, and this is hamburger that I put in some Tony's, a bunch of Italian seasoning, and garlic. And so it has a nice Italian flavor to the hamburger. But DiGiorno makes a pretty darn good base pizza for doctoring up. Just a little bit more here. Okay, and then we need some Italian blend cheese. Thank you, Tillamook. They make a really good cheese. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle that over. Normally I would be a little neater about this, but I'm doing it one-handed. Okay, and we put that into our preheated 450 degree oven. And that's going to be about a half an hour. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that in half an hour is going to be a nice pizza. And look at that. 30 minutes of cooking later, and we have a delicious Dr. DiGiorno hacked toppings pizza. And just sprinkle with some crushed red pepper, and that'll make it just about right. Okay, Take care. See you on the next video.